Hi, I'm Biplab speaking. This is my daily checklist video. First of all, I started my work at 9 in the morning, and first I sign in my 501 mail, and over there I check out Beta Team Rendered Channel, and also our daily mail, and then I go to Google Drive, and from there I check out my BA task management. What is our schedule today? My product research schedule is today is Gold Crest. I had already worked on that, and I check out my ultimate list, and I set today's work on my channel. Today I got to MEP's product, so I set it on this MEP's sheet, and also got a restricted product. I set it on this here, so please check it. And then I check out my KGG ads and do that work, and also reply someone mail. But today I don't get any tenant details. So this is my KGG work, and then I find out that we have not got 141 Fonda properties have not got yet MX bill yet. So please, if you have any work on that, then check out that. And that is the work today. And thank you. Please check all. Bye.